KPMG Spark is one of the most talked about accounting software solutions, but before you commit, there are 12 things you need to know. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you why it might not be the best choice compared to others in the market. First thing to know, KPMG Spark is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small businesses. It offers bookkeeping, invoicing, tax filings, and financial reporting, all in one place. It's easy to see why people compare it to QuickBooks and Xero, but there are key differences. Next thing, KPMG Spark's biggest selling point is its live bookkeeping. Unlike QuickBooks, where you enter data manually or through integrations, Spark provides real-time bookkeeping with the help of real accountants. This feature could save you time if you're tired of doing your books yourself, but it comes with a premium cost. The third thing to consider is pricing. While Spark is transparent about its pricing with monthly fees starting around $300, this might seem steep compared to other options like QuickBooks Online or FreshBooks, which offer more affordable plans starting around $25 a month. Fourth thing, KPMG Spark software is intuitive, but it doesn't have as many third-party app integrations as QuickBooks or Xero. If you rely on connecting other software to your accounting system, Spark may feel limiting. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the level of customer support. KPMG Spark offers direct access to accountants via chat, but other software, like Xero, offers a more extensive library of resources, including detailed guides and a larger user community. Next thing, automation. KPMG Spark automates a lot of the bookkeeping process, but if you're comparing it to competitors, other platforms like FreshBooks or QuickBooks do a better job with invoicing and payment reminders. The seventh thing is its user-friendly interface. While KPMG Spark is designed for users without a financial background, some users still report a steep learning curve. If you're looking for something quicker to get into, you might find alternatives like Wave or QuickBooks Online more accessible. Eighth, KPMG Spark offers a tax filing feature that integrates directly into the software, which is a great perk. But when compared to other accounting platforms, it's not as comprehensive. For example, Xero offers more detailed tax reports and can be customized for specific regions or industries. The ninth thing to know is that Spark offers payroll services, but it's not as robust as competitors like Gusto, which is known for offering more customizable payroll options, better reporting, and state-specific features. 10th, if you're a startup, KPMG Spark can help with financial management right from the start. However, if you plan on scaling your business, it's worth noting that other tools like Xero or QuickBooks may provide more scalability and customization options to grow with your business. The 11th point is security. KPMG Spark uses bank-grade encryption to protect your data. While this is standard, it's important to note that larger accounting software providers like QuickBooks offer additional layers of protection, like multi-factor authentication, giving them an edge in the security department. Finally, the 12th thing you need to know is that KPMG Spark is generally well reviewed by users for its ease of use and the help of live accountants. But some businesses report that its features may not be enough if you're looking for advanced reporting, deeper integrations, or a more flexible pricing structure. In conclusion, KPMG Spark is a solid option for small businesses needing reliable bookkeeping with live support. However, if you're after a better option with more integrations, scalability, and affordability, we recommend you check out our solution that you can try for free.